Hi, I'm Miss Hanna. I'm originally from Texas, USA. Okay, at Sri KDU, I am the Year 2 home teacher, so I teach all core subjects. So I first joined Sri KDU in October of 2023. I always enjoy the events where we invite families on our campus to celebrate different events. So this can be Diwali, International Week, and Breast Cancer Awareness Week have been some of my favorites. As a teacher, it's really encouraging to see that the growth that my students make over the course of a school year. At the beginning of the year, they might be unsure and unconfident, and it's always just an amazing thing as a teacher to get to experience the confidence that they gain over the course of the school year as they gain fluency and as they grow in their abilities. At Sri KDU, we provide the perfect environment for students to grow socially, academically, and through our amazing environment. So please join us at Sri KDU.